Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart. And, we talked about the potential for an upper band ride. The bears were able to hold that off. They were able to push below the prior day low. They were able to keep it from touching the upper band. So, look, it was a potential band ride, no more, okay? They still can't figure out the 9-day. And they can't really figure out 55 to 57, and that has continued on into Globex. And now you're getting this little tight range overnight Globex thing here, which on an hourly chart looks like this. It's compression. Okay, so the bands have compressed. Direction, is up in the air. They did do the lower high. We said yesterday morning they got to establish a lower high. They established a lower high. They need to go ahead and turn it into a lower low. If they can produce a lower low, and let's talk about what a lower low is versus what a lower low is not. Down here somewhere isn't a lower low, okay? Here, below the bounce area from Globex Wednesday, below 46.25, that I'll give you a lower low. It's a lower weekly low, okay? If they want to make any real noise though, 40 is the daily mid-band, 37.75 is the weekly pivot. You got to deal with this. If the bears want to be around for more than a trade, you got to convert this area right here. You got to get it done here. And then what's even more difficult for them, because what did we talk about? We talked about finishing, we talked about executing, we talked about taking advantage of opportunities. Well, you can see they're still trying to take advantage of this opportunity. And I hope they take incredible advantage of it, because we're short against 64.5 right now. We have been all night. So, I would love to see them take advantage of this down to the 30s or whatever. It will make my day a hell of a lot simpler, I'll tell you that right now. The problem is converting 37 to 40 into resistance. If you want to make any headway over here, okay, you got to turn the green line into resistance and then start heading down towards the lower band, okay? Now that we've done the lower high, now that we've done a lower low versus the prior day low, okay, now we can talk about what's next. Anybody that follows this webcast or podcast or however you're listening to me for any period of time understands what's next is the daily mid band. Right here, the green line, that's what's next. That is what's next, and that's what they have to achieve today. So we'll see how it goes. I will be out with a midday update. We'll get some more stuff going on social, and I will talk to everybody then. Have a great Thursday. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.